Start your journey to confidence in English. Hello everyone. Today, I have some words to help boost your confidence in learning English. Learning English may seem challenging at first, but remember, every word you speak and every step you take is a step towards success. Don't fear mistakes, because mistakes are the best teachers. Every mistake is a chance to learn and grow. Believe in yourself always. You can do it if you never stop trying. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. Whether it's a word or a sentence, keep trying every day. Remember, your journey might be slow, but it is always beautiful. You can do it. Never stop trying. Believe in yourself and start today. You'll see the difference in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Start today. Ready to take your English skills to the next level? Join the shadowing challenge, practice, improve, and speak like a pro. Let's make learning fun and effective. Are you in? Challenge yourself today. Mimic, learn, and master English. I am learning English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I understand more each day. I feel proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English. I listen carefully. I speak slowly and clearly. I try every day. I believe in myself. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. My effort today helps my English get better tomorrow. I am not giving up. I am growing. My journey is beautiful, even if slow. I speak English to share, not to be perfect. I build confidence one word at a time. I get better with practice. I understand more than I think. Speaking out loud helps me improve. I show up, even when it is hard. Every mistake helps me learn. Every day, I feel more confident. Speaking English clearly is possible. I am proud of my small progress. English is not hard. It's new. I learn something new each time. I build good habits today. My English gets better with every word. Even small practice helps a lot. I am patient with myself. This is just the beginning of my English success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us tomorrow for day 2. Remember, practice makes perfect. You don't want to miss out on this exciting journey to mastering English. Let's grow together and make progress every step of the way. This 14-day challenge is ideal for beginners or anyone looking to build consistent daily practice habits. It's short-term, but highly impactful, perfect to kickstart your language learning journey.